Good night, teacher. My name is Manuel Enrique Prieto Sanabria. That 31 10 2022. High title Day Diamond Supermarket. Uh, How to apply general strategy to promote the situation of the Diamond Supermarket. General strategy. Mr. Joaquín Pérez Rodríguez need to innovate uh, with a promotion in encouraging whole uh, customer to go back to shopping at his supermarket. Supermarket I feel a good recommendation is it had they agrees to lead the children, contribute ideas hand recommendation, for example, a good one to strategy. How be to carry a web page for the supermarket promoting its products and offering attractive promotion of customers as also create informative bias banners on the outside of the tune of Villaleiva, marking one day localization of the supermarket in promotion in the products and to return to being a successful bunnies as it was year ago. It is sad that adapting to change is difficult, but change is always for the better, and in this case, will be a good change for the supermarket El Diamant. Thanks.